Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we'll be showing you the Grid Connect 2200 watt Smart Convection Panel Heater. This heater has a high gloss finish and is a stylish addition to your living space. It also can be controlled anywhere in your home by using your own mobile device. The heater comes with an LED touch panel, a remote control, a 24-hour timer, a high to low thermostat, and some mounting tools. You can operate the smart heater in 3 different ways. You can use the LED touch panel, the remote control, or use the Grid Connect app. Firstly, mount your heater to a wall, ensuring that the heater is at least 30 centimeters wide and 1 meter in height away from any curtains or any household appliances that may cause a hazard. Plug the heater into a 10 amp wall socket. Ensure that it is on a flat, stable surface and turn on the main power switch. The heater can be operated in 3 different modes. You have low heat mode, high heat mode, and anti-frost mode. Just press the mode button here to cycle through these modes. The LED touch panel is controlled by tapping the buttons here, like so. Heating your home this winter is made simple with the Grid Connect app. This is a free, easy to download, pair and use app that is safe and secure. Manage your smart devices by using your preferred voice assistant, including Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Open the app and then log in. If you don't have an account, refer to our registering account video here. After you've logged in, we're now ready to pair our first heater. Confirm that the Wi-Fi symbol is blinking rapidly, and this will indicate that the heater is in pairing mode. If it isn't flashing, press and hold the power button until the Wi-Fi symbol starts to flash rapidly. Once you are in pairing mode, open the Grid Connect app, tap the add button here, then select climate. Now confirm that the heater indicator is rapidly blinking, and then press the button here to confirm. When pairing, confirm that your heater is within the Wi-Fi range of your router, and that it is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Furthermore, keep your smart device as close to the heater as possible for optimal pairing. And now the Grid Connect app will automatically start to scan and connect to the heater. Once it reaches 100%, the pairing process is complete, and a page showing device successfully added will appear. You may choose to edit the device's name or assign it to a dedicated room before tapping complete. You are now able to control your heater from your chosen mobile device. The heater comes with a scheduled timer function. Using the schedule timer function will program the heater to turn on and off at your desired time of day. To use this function, tap the schedule icon here. For example, if you would like your heater to turn on at 10 AM, select 10 AM using the time scroll. And then make sure the switch power setting is on. If you would like this to repeat on a specific day, you can do so by selecting from the options here. For this example, we want this to occur every Friday, so select Friday and tap the save icon to confirm. Note that if you would like to deactivate your schedule function, tap the timer switch in the Grid Connect app while the timer is running. Deactivating the schedule function will maintain the heater in its current on or off status. Then, enter a second entry, this time selecting 11 AM as your desired time. Make sure the switch power option is off and that you also select Friday. Press save to confirm. Now your heater will turn on at 10 AM and then automatically switch off at 11 AM. To delete a timer, go to the timer page and press and hold your chosen timer. Then press confirm. After pairing, you may use Wi-Fi or your mobile data to control your device from anywhere using the Grid Connect app. To use the voice assistant function, simply activate your voice assistant and say your desired command. Hey Google, change the temperature to 28 degrees.
Got it. Setting the Arlec panel heater to 28 degrees.
If you have any further questions, please see the contact details at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your Grid Smart Convection Panel Heater.